So smartwatches are creating more and more buzz since the past few years, and mostly they are expensive and normally people don't consider buying one. But the Noise GT08 smartwatch, which I am gonna review today, can be your first smartwatch. So without any further ado, let's just dive into the video. So first off, we are gonna unbox it and I will show you the contents of the box. On the rear side of the box, you will find the MRP quoted as 6,999 rupees, but you can get this one for just under 1,500 rupees on Amazon India. And basically this watch is designed to sort of replicate the Apple Watch, and it comes from a trusted brand which is Noise. And they have been making smartphone cases and covers and such accessories since quite a few years. Opening up the box, firstly we get the watch itself wrapped up in plastic. Underneath that we can find the USB to micro USB charging cable. And further below we can find a screen guard for the watch, which is a good thing to have. Other than that, the user manual is also present. So here is a smartwatch, and actually it also has a screen guard pre-applied on the display, which is great to see at this price point. So without wasting any further time, let's now get to the build and design of the watch. On the right side you get the power button, which is made out of metal, and basically the whole chassis itself is made out of dark colored metal, and I was really surprised to see such premium quality at this price point. Over to the left side you can find the micro USB port in between the microphone on the left and the loudspeaker grill to the right side. The cold metal just feels really awesome, and the watch, it just looks as if it is really premium. This watch also does a lot of things which are unexpected to see at this price point. Moving over to the rear side, inside the watch we can find a 350 mAh battery which easily lasts for 2 days straight in a full charge with moderate use. And I used it with Bluetooth turned on full day, and it easily lasted me 2 days, and the charging speed was also really quick. Also, here is the SIM card slot and the memory card slot, and I feel it is a great addition to the watch. Moving over, we get to the band, and it is made out of rubber and feels really high quality. Also, the band has a textured pattern on it to give it a more detailed look and feel. Overall, the build quality is just excellent, but the only cons here are that it does not have a Gorilla Glass display, so you will have to use it a bit carefully, and also the watch is not at all waterproof, so lots of splashes of water can get a bit dangerous for it. And the watch is very ergonomic, but it does not make people think that it is a normal watch. The design and the size just shows that it is a smartwatch. It simply just looks big on the wrist, and it grabs a lot of attention towards it. Coming to the performance, I did not notice any lag on the watch whatsoever while I was scrolling through the menus and the apps. In terms of apps, you get the calculator app, the calendar app, the phone dialer, the camera app which launches the 1.3 megapixel camera, the settings app with a variety of settings to change for the watch, a sleep tracker app, the messaging app, alarm app for the watch, and finally the steps tracking app. And you don't get any app store, so you cannot download any extra watch faces or apps. You just have to deal with what is pre-installed. And the sleep tracking and the steps tracking are not very accurate, so don't expect high level of accuracy as that of some fitness trackers. For connectivity between your phone and your watch, you get an app called BT Notification on the Play Store. So that will help you to get calls and messages right on your watch. And in terms of software features, this watch really serves you well above for what you pay. And the fact that you can even use this watch without your phone by just inserting your SIM card in the watch is a great feature, and hardly any watches do this. But for me, I would rather use it as an accessory to my phone. So finally the question arrives, that should you buy this or not? I would say yes if you have the budget of 1500 rupees and don't like to wear fitness trackers with small screens and you want to try a smartwatch for yourself. Then do consider buying the Noise GT08 watch, as this one is the bang for the buck smartwatch. If you have some extra money to spend, you can also go with the Intex Iris Pro, but I feel that the design of the Noise GT08 watch is nowhere near the Intex one. The Noise GT08 smartwatch has a superior build quality and design. And if you want to buy this watch right away, then do check out the link in the description box below to buy it from amazon.in. And if you find this video helpful, then please do hit the like button. I would really appreciate it, as I took a lot of effort to make this video. And if you have any doubts, then feel free to comment down below, and also subscribe for more such videos, and bye for now.